What if I told you small machines can turn your table into a mini factory? You don't need huge investment, big space, or staff, just the right tools and smart ideas. In this video, I'll show you 15 powerful machines that can start real income from home. Let's get started. Number 1. Vinyl cutter for stickers and labels. This small machine is ideal for making custom stickers and labels with low investment. The vinyl cutter lets you create personalized decals for bottles, laptops, packaging, and more. You load vinyl sheets, set the design, and the cutter produces perfect shapes in seconds. Raw materials are affordable, adhesive vinyl rolls, and basic tools. The machine costs between $200 to $500 based on size and features. You can make 100 to 300 sticker sets daily, selling for $1 to $5 each. Total daily revenue can reach $300 with high profit margins. An easy creative business with endless demand for custom stickers. Number 2. Magnet press machine. Fridge magnets are fun, useful, and always in demand. With this compact magnet press, you can create custom magnets with photos, logos, or artwork in minutes. The process is simple. Place the image, cover with clear film, press it together. Raw materials needed are magnetic bases, clear film, and printed images. The machine costs $200 to $600 depending on size. You can produce 150 to 400 magnets daily, each selling for $1 to $5. Total daily revenue can reach $500 with excellent margins. Perfect for gifts, events, and souvenirs with high profit potential. Number 3. Mini stamp making machine. Custom stamps are essential for branding, events, and businesses. This mini stamp maker produces personalized stamps quickly with almost no setup. It uses flash exposure to transfer designs onto stamp pads within minutes. You'll need transparent film, stamp blanks, and basic tools. The machine costs $250 to $700 depending on size. You can make 50 to 100 custom stamps daily, selling for $10 to $30 each. Total daily revenue can reach $1,500 with minimal material costs. An excellent low-cost business with high demand in offices and gifts. Number 4. Badge and button making machine. From events to fan merchandise, badges and buttons are everywhere. This button making machine lets you produce custom pins with any image or message. Simply load your design, press the layers, and your badge is ready. You'll need button blanks, printed designs, and electricity. Machine price ranges from $300 to $700. Daily output is 200 to 500 badges, each selling for $1 to $3. Total daily revenue can reach $1,500 with low material costs. A perfect business for events, schools, and small merchandise brands. Number 5. Cord knitting machine. Bag handles, hoodie drawstrings, and craft cords are in huge demand. The cord knitting machine produces strong cords automatically without manual work. Load the yarn, press start, and it knits cords in minutes. Raw materials are simple: yarn and electricity. The machine costs $300 to $700 depending on size. You can produce 100 to 300 feet of cords daily, selling for $1 to $3 per foot. Total daily revenue can reach $900 with high margins. Ideal for DIY, crafts, and handmade product sellers. Number 6. Temporary tattoo printer. Temporary tattoos are a fast-growing trend for parties, events, and personal expression. With this compact tattoo printer, you can offer custom designs that apply in seconds without the pain of real tattoos. The machine connects to your phone and prints designs on thermal transfer paper. You place the design on the skin, dab with water, and it's done. An instant, vibrant tattoo. Materials needed are thermal paper, ink, and your custom artwork. The machine costs around $300 to $700 based on features and print quality. Production is quick. You can print up to 500 small tattoos per day. Theme packs like quotes, minimal designs, or anime characters sell for $10 to $20 per set. Total daily revenue can reach $500 with very low production costs. Perfect for parties, fairs, events, and even online stores. This machine turns creativity into high-profit temporary tattoos. An easy way to start a fun, small business with excellent demand. Number 7. Food dehydrator machine. Dried fruits, herbs, and healthy snacks are booming in popularity. With a food dehydrator, you can turn fresh produce into ready-to-sell snacks at home with minimal effort. The machine uses controlled heat and airflow to remove moisture from food, preserving it for months while retaining nutrients and flavor. You'll need basic ingredients like apples, bananas, herbs, or meat, depending on your product line. The machine costs between $300 to $700, depending on capacity and features. You can dehydrate 20 to 40 pounds of produce per batch. scratch, turning $10 worth of ingredients into $50 to $100 of finished snacks. Daily profits of $100 to $300 are possible with consistent production. Perfect for making fruit chips, jerky, herbal teas, or healthy snack packs. The health food market continues to grow, making this machine an ideal low-cost entry point for new entrepreneurs. Number 8. Portable paper cup making machine. Paper cups are essential for tea stalls, coffee shops, events, and takeaway businesses. With this compact paper cup machine, you can produce thousands of eco-friendly cups from a small space. The machine automatically forms, seals, and shapes paper sheets into cups ready for use. Materials needed include paper rolls, cup blanks, and electricity. Machine costs range from $1,000 to $2,000 depending on size and speed. You can produce 2,000 to 4,000 paper cups daily, selling for 5 to 10 cents per cup. Total daily revenue can exceed $400 with steady demand and good margins. Perfect for catering, street vendors, events, and takeaway services. The world is shifting towards disposable, eco-friendly products, making this a scalable and sustainable small business opportunity. Number 9. Ribbon printing machine. Personalized ribbons are everywhere. Florists, weddings, gift shops, and branding events. With this ribbon printing machine, you can create custom messages, logos, or designs on ribbons in seconds. You load the ribbon roll, insert thermal film, and the machine prints high-quality text or logos. Materials needed are ribbon rolls, thermal printing film, and electricity. The machine costs between $800 to $1,500 based on features and print size. You can produce hundreds of feet of printed ribbon daily with material costs just a few cents per foot. Custom printed ribbons sell for $1 to $3 per foot, generating daily profits of $200 to $600 easily. A unique business idea with steady demand for events, gifting, and packaging. Easy to start, creative, and highly profitable with minimal investment. Number 10. Laser engraving machine. The laser engraving machine is a game changer for making personalized products with low investment. You can create custom items like keychains, wooden signs, coasters, or metal tags with professional finish. You just load your material, upload a design, and the laser engraves names, logos, or artwork in seconds. Raw materials include wood, acrylic, leather, or thin metal sheets, plus electricity. Machine costs range from $500 to $1,500 depending on size and features. You can produce 50 to 100 engraved items daily, selling for $5 to $40 each. Total daily revenue can reach $1,000 with profit margins around 60%. Ideal for gifts, promotional products, or small branding businesses. A reliable, beginner-friendly machine with huge market demand in custom products. Number 11. Semi-auto liquid filler machine. If you're selling products like honey, sauces, oils, or even shampoo, packaging by hand is slow and messy. The semi-auto liquid filler solves that problem by dispensing precise portions into each bottle or jar quickly and cleanly. The machine works with thick or thin liquids, ensuring every container gets the exact right amount without waste. You'll need your chosen product, honey, sauces, oils, plus jars, bottles, and electricity. Machine costs start around $600 to $1,000, depending on size and filling speed. You can fill 500 to 1,000 containers daily, depending on product size. A single jar of honey or sauce sells for $5 to $15, depending on the market. Daily revenue can exceed $1,500 with minimal material waste. Perfect for small food businesses, cosmetic producers, and health product sellers. This machine offers a professional packaging solution, making your products look premium while saving time and boosting profits. These 12 powerful machines prove you don't need a factory or huge capital to start earning. From home with smart tools, real income is possible. Choose your idea, start small, and grow fast. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more practical business ideas.